Your first lead sheet, Merrily We Roll Along.
Now we're going to learn about lead sheets. A lead sheet is a form of notation that is generally used by popular and jazz musicians when they're working on their tunes. And what a lead sheet involves is only a melody written out on a treble staff with chord symbols above. The idea here is for the piano player to sort of improvise based on what the lead sheet chord symbol says. So it's a handy skill to have, and I'm going to show you a very basic version of it using a tune you all know, which is called Merrily We Roll Along, also known as Mary Had a Little Lamb. So when you look at your lead sheet, you'll see that you have a tune, right? Merrily We Roll Along in the right-hand part. Now, first thing you want to do is practice that tune, okay? So I'm looking at it. I know from my graphic that I am in C position with my right hand, okay? I'm in C position, and I'm starting on my third finger, and I am on the note E. I'm just going to scan this for intervals. Down a second, down a second, up a second, up a second, repeat, down a second, up a second, and then up a skip. And then the second line starts the same way. Down a second, down a second, up a second, up a second, repeat. Down a second, repeat, up a second, down a second, down a second.
Adding the left hand.
So this is what my left hand's doing. You'll see the first line of music has a left hand part written out, and the second line does not. Okay, that's because the first line is showing you an example of how you're going to realize the lead sheet. All right? The second, normally a lead sheet wouldn't have that bass clef staff at all. It would just be the top staff. But this is to show you the process. And then when you get to line 2, you have to kind of regenerate the process. All right, so if you look above the tune, you see the first chord symbol is C. In this example, all you have to do is play the note that is indicated by that symbol. If it says C in the left hand, you're going to play C. If it says G, as it does in bar 3, you're going to play G. And that is a fourth down from C. If you had your thumb on C, you'll have 4 on G. So you're not really in C position. Your right hand's in C position, and your left hand is not. Your left hand, thumb is on C, but your pinky is on F. So you're really kind of in an F position there. But all I have to do for this song is be able to play C and G and C. And then on my second line I have C again, and then G, and then C. And I'm going to play my my chord tones. I'm going to play my chord tones on the downbeat. Notice in bar 2 I have a tie, so I'm not going to re-strike that. So this is one of your first pieces where you've played hands together, so you're going to have to kind of really work on this a little bit. So here's how it's going to start. So be sure you get comfortable with the C chord. Okay, so in bar 3, where I have the chord symbol G, I'm going to be playing a 2, and I'm going to be playing a G in the left hand. And then in the next bar, I'm going back to the C chord. So I'm going to do that without stopping and without talking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, line 2, I have to figure out, without reading, where to play my C and my G. So I'm always going to play on beat 1, where the chords change. Here is line 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and good if you want to just practice your left hand. You can use the Merrily We Roll Along practice file, and that will play the tune, and you can just practice your left hand with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That'll give you a chance to kind of play the tune and get a good sense of the context.
Advanced options.
Okay, so if you're a little bit more advanced and you can do this easily, you might consider, instead of just playing the root tone of the chord, playing in 5-finger position. If it says C, play the low note and the high note of the position like a chord. And then if it says G, you can jump down to G. And then back to C. So all I'm doing is I'm playing my low and my high finger, which is a fifth. 5 notes apart. It's a fifth. I'm playing a harmonic fifth for a C chord. And I'm jumping down and playing a harmonic fifth for a G chord. And then I'm jumping back up for the C chord. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would practice that left hand with the melody track. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do that one more time, and as I do that, I want you to notice how I have to move my hand a little early in order to get to the chord on time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. Move back. Move. Move. Okay, now I'm going to try that without the audio file. I'm going to try it by myself. 1, 2, 3, 4.